Teaching, the profession that makes all other professions possible. Teachers and parents are key figures in shaping a child's future. A teacher's expectations can affect a child's development. Generally, they will rise or fall to the teacher's expectations. When teachers believe in students, students believe in themselves. We all have teachers that we remember and cherish from our school days, and we never forget them because they were good teachers. What makes a good teacher?
Someone who can spark a child's curiosity. It's much a more rich experience when a child says, driven by his own curiosity, his own interest, how does that work, teacher? Or I'd like to hear that story again, or tell me more. When a teacher is able to motivate a child to begin to satisfy his own interest and need to learn, then that teacher has really done a good job.
A good teacher is somebody who is very passionate about the job he or she is doing. He or she has love for children. She puts herself into the teaching and learning process. She takes any topic as a unique one. He tries to research into the topic and then involve his or her children in his or her lesson and let the children feel at home.
A good teacher is somebody who takes the children as their friend, then again to love the children, teach effectively. When I say teach effectively, whilst teaching, you should reflect on what you're teaching there, and then maybe if there's some lapses, you can do the correction. Or step back after the lesson and see whether what you've done is good. Again, as a good teacher, you should think about the children's welfare and also be able to relate properly with the parents, because if the parents don't bring the children to the school, you don't have children to teach.
Good teachers have high expectations for students, but even higher expectations for themselves. Good teachers create a positive atmosphere in their classrooms. Good teachers are inventive and creative. Good teachers love teaching and children. The future promise of any nation can be directly measured by the present prospects of its youth. John F. Kennedy. This DVD highlights the importance of teachers and parents in a child's education. It is an aid to the teacher's guide, which helps the teacher to deliver a simple and effective child-centered lesson with clarity. Its purpose is to educate and motivate our teachers.